US President Donald Trump's meetings with foreign leaders, they've rarely unfolded according to script. Just ask Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, whose recent Oval Office visit spiraled into a televised dressing down that left diplomats stunned, even as his approval ratings at home ticked up. But now it's Canada's turn. Today, newly elected Prime Minister Mark Carney will become the latest leader to step into the high-stakes theatre of Trump's White House. But for Canadians, the risks feel uniquely acute. Maha's joining us with an update on this as well. Maha, you've covered extensively that Trump has already floated the idea of Canada becoming the 51st state, suggesting its Prime Minister should be called governor and impose sweeping tariffs. So what can we actually expect from this big Carney-Trump meeting?
This will be the first in-person meeting between the new Prime Minister of Canada, Mark Carney, and US President Donald Trump after the tariffs have been unleashed against Canada, which threaten to derail its economy. So the big question is really whether Canada and Mark Carney will be asking for the lifting or pausing of these tariffs before they start negotiating an economic and a security agreement. That's what we are expecting the two sides to do, considering that US President Donald Trump has shown that he's not even satisfied with the renegotiated NAFTA, which happened during his previous tenure, and which is now called CUSMA. This is the North American agreement between Mexico, US, and Canada. It's a trade deal that came into being during the last tenure of President Trump. And now he's showing signs that he believes that even that is not being lived up to its expectation as per what US wants from Canada and Mexico. And that is why he's gone ahead and imposed the tariffs that we are seeing. 25% tariffs on non-CUSMA compliant goods coming into the US, 25% tariffs on aluminum and steel, 25% tariff on auto and auto parts, as well as 10% tariff on energy products. So what we're expecting, Parmeshwar, in that meeting is both sides, not only the leaders to talk, but a delegation level talk. And then we will wait to watch how these negotiations further go ahead. The one thing that we know is that Mark Carney has said that he will be negotiating and talking to US President Donald Trump as the leader of a sovereign nation, thereby dismissing the idea of Canada being the 51st state of the US.